How to turn on or turn off dark mode on Samsung phone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down, head towards the option of display and brightness, open it. Now from this page you can easily enable dark mode or disable it. To enable it, click on the option of dark mode. Now click on the option of dark mode options. Toggling on for this option, switch to dark mode. You can customize the time period for dark mode as well. Likewise, head back. If you want to disable dark mode, you can tap on the option of light mode. So this is how you can easily turn on or turn off dark mode on Samsung phone. Likewise, you can also use another method. You can just swipe down. Over here you'll find this icon, circle icon. Using this icon, you can easily enable or disable dark mode. So this is the shortcut option that you will get in your device. Well, this is how you can easily turn on or turn off dark mode on Samsung phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.